Okay, so let's see. Dev, diary, sprint 131. Play.
First of all, due to popular demand, you will now be able to configure multiple Avinode accounts for your operator. As you may know, we are working hard to rewrite parts of the application that still has the old Leon vibe. It just so happened that in the last sprint, we rewrote the Hold Item List edit window. And as always, we are amending our state-of-the-art sales module. From this sprint, you can decide which price list item should appear as a separate position on your client invoice.